Hello guys, here's how you can make a drawing game in Scratch. Well, it is a typed game in Scratch. Well, this is the episode 1, but actually this is not the episode 1. The whole series are in this one video. Okay, remember that? It is not like episode 1 or episode 2. The whole video is on this. Okay, first, I'm gonna paint a new sprite. I'm gonna call it pen. Pen. The pen we need to draw with our mouse pointer. And we can draw the sketch. And we can draw the picture with our mouse pointer. And leave the costumes blank. And I'm gonna code that when the green flag is clicked, it actually shows itself. Now we need the extension pen. Choose the extensions from the left bottom corner and click on it and get this pen. Draw with your sprites. Okay, now when the green flag is clicked, erase all before showing itself. And make sure its pen is down. And get a forever block. And go to mouse pointer. Block. Now, I'm going to make a custom block. I think I'll call it Start Game. Okay, I'm gonna click OK without taking the round without screen refresh. Okay, just put that right here, this block, and just get this tiny block right here and put this right here. Okay. That's good. Now click the mouse, click the green flag, and we can draw. Wherever we move our mouse pointer, it draws with us. Okay, we know it's drawing. Now I think I'll make it like this. When the green flag is clicked, it'll pen up. If it is pen up, when the green flag is clicked, it does not draw anything. Okay, now I'm gonna get another one green flag clicked block and get a forever block and an if check block. And go to the sensing categories and get this mouse down block. If the mouse is down, like we clicked it and draw. We clicked it like this, then draw. If it is not, like that. So, if mouse down, we gotta do is go to the pen and get this pen down block. Then we gotta go to the control categories and get this if else block. And I'm going to put that right here, pen down right here. And I'm going to go to the pen section, and I'm going to get this pen up right here and put it in the if else. I'll put that right there. If I press and draw, I can draw. If I'm not pressing, I cannot. I can press it again to draw it again. I can press and draw. If I'm not pressing, I cannot draw. I press and draw. That's so cool. That's what I need. Now our pen is done. Now I need to make some colors. So I'll make a new sprite. I'm going to call it blue. Okay. Now I think I'm going to draw a circle. I'm going to make its color to blue. Light blue. And the outline to full. Shift plus do it. So it lines up really perfect. I'm gonna center it fix its position. Just like that. Now I think I'll add a text. I like the pixel art so much that I use in all episodes. And I'm gonna do this text blue. It is not showing because it's the same color as the inside fill. I'm gonna get this color picker tool and get the outline color for the blue text. I think I'll move it a little more sided. Okay, just like that. Now, when the green flag is clicked, I'll also fix its position, and remember, it needs to show itself. Okay, that's the settings. Now, when the sprite is clicked, it needs to send a message called blue. Click OK. Then go to the pen section, pen sprite, and get this when I receive blue block. Now go to the pen section and get the set pen color 2 and click on this and get this color picker and go to the stage, and I'm going to choose the color from the stage. I'm going to choose this type color from that I choose. Okay, that's good. Now look at it. Click the green flag. The default color is now on this. The color is this now. But when I click the blue and do it, the color changed. That's cool, right? Now when the green flag is clicked, I think I'll make the color to black. Set the color to dark black. So the default one is the color black. That's good. Now I'm gonna go to the blue sprite. I'm gonna get a one green flag clicked and a forever block. And an if else block. And if touching mouse pointer, it'll set its brightness. Go to the Lux categories and you can get this set color effect. And you can choose brightness to like 25 or something. 20. When you make it, that's like that. I think I'll make it to a lower number, like 10. 0 makes it not brightness. This is better for me, 10. And I'm gonna else put on the else clear graphic effects. There is a touch. We know it's a button now. We can click it. And I'm gonna put an animation when we click it also. So when the sprite is clicked, after it broadcasts blue, I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set its color to 50%. That is actually pink. Also, I'm not color enough, brightness to 50%. That is really bright, but I need it like this, but a little more, not really that much. Pink, it's a pink, so also go to that when the green flag is clicked, it clears graphic effects. Okay, need it to 30 because when we click it, an animation needs to come. Now wait for 0.5 seconds. After waiting for 0.5 seconds, I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the brightness to brightness effect to 0. Just click on the green flag. Look at that, it's a little one. Look at that. It does 2 times also. That's because the brightness. I'm gonna change the brightness to a clear graph effects. But because our mouse is touching, it always clear graph effects. I'm gonna set another thing like the color effect to 30. Just click on that. Setting color effect to 30 just made it that before because it is not touching the color, not touching the mouse pointer. So it cannot do that. So I'm not adding that. If you need, you can add. Now our button is done. Now click the green flag and draw something on the stage. It is black. Click on the blue button. Blue. And now I'm going to make a variable called color for all sprites. And I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to do is when the green flag is clicked, I'm going to set the variable color to 0. Actually, not 0. I'm going to set color to, I'm going to put in the last, okay. Set color to, before doing that, okay. Set color variable to my variable. Actually, not my variable. When it's default, the default color is actually black. So I'm going to set it to black. So everyone knows the color is black now. Okay, when the green flag is clicked, it shows black. Also, I'm going to do is I'm going to put the variable right here. Okay, we know it's black. But when the blue is clicked, it is showing black, but we're drawing as blue. So I need to make it that when blue is clicked, it'll set color to color variable to blue. Okay, that's better. Click the green flag. What's black now? Click on the blue. Blue. And we carried. It's blue. And I'm gonna add one more button and the series is finished. Okay, I'm gonna make another sprite. Naming it black. I always write black. It's black. Okay, now I'm gonna just copy the whole blue sprite and I'm gonna go to the black sprite and paste everything. Now I'm gonna go to the text tool and change the text to black. I don't have space, so I'll just shrink my text down. Okay, now I'm gonna select the round thing and I'm gonna make the fill to darker, bright black, but I don't see the outline now. I don't need to be like that. So what I will do is I'll make the outline to be white. Really white. Now, after that, but we cannot see white because the stage's color is white. That way, I'm gonna put an background. It's blue sky too. Now I can see it. Also, the text, I'm gonna fill it white color. I'm gonna also put the black spray right here. Now the episode is finished. Nope, we didn't coat the black spray. Who told? Okay, now I'm gonna just copy this and also this and also this. Everything is hiding, but it's hiding on the code. Okay, I'm gonna click on this code and check it works. Doesn't work, but do you know it doesn't work? But it is actually working. You cannot see it because it's the dual black. Well, you need to make it the effect 200. When you make it the effect 200, it is really bright. Now when I make it to 30, it is not really because it's already black. We cannot see it very well. So I'm going to make it to 40. That's what I need. I can see that very well now. Blue works, but the position is not very good. Broadcast blue. Make the thing to black. Okay, now I'm gonna also set its position to a new block that I have. The position changed on the motion categories. Just click the green flag. That is good for me. Now, when the green flag is clicked, I can draw black. With black. Blue, click the blue. It's blue. Click the black, and it's black, but it draws blue. So we need to make a new broadcast block on the blue sprite, calling it blank. Click OK. And go to the pen spray and get this when I receive black block. Now I'm gonna go to the pen section and get this set pen color to color picker tool and get this bright color black. That's all for this episode. Bye guys. But last check. Touch works. It's black now. I can draw with black. And click on this blue. I draw with blue. Then click on this black. I draw with black again. And I hope you will add so much button to this. And bye guys, the series is finished.